Hey everybody, this is Andrew from TS4Tech, and today I have a really cool portable speaker from a company called TREBLAB. And I have done some videos for TREBLAB speakers on the channel before, and this will be the biggest one that I've done. This is the HD Max. I've done a few of the other ones. I'll link to those in the card above in case you care to see some of the smaller TREBLAB speakers. So this one is more geared towards maybe outdoors, parties, maybe on your deck, at the beach, in the park, something like that, because it has 50 watts of power. It has, it has some sound modes, so like indoor sound, outdoor sound, bass boost mode. It has the ability to pair two of the speakers together, so you can get kind of, I don't know, stereo kind of effect sort of thing, so you can have the same music playing on both. It has quick charging, USB Type-C, IPX6 water resistant, 20 hours of playtime, high def sound. There's 4 speakers, I guess, in this. Has a built-in power bank with 12,000 milliamp hour battery. So, like I said, if you're out and about and at the beach and your phone's running low on battery, you can charge your phone from this as well. And overall, looks like a really pretty cool device. So I do have to thank TREBLAB for sending this over to the channel for an unboxing and kind of initial first look here. But we'll just get into this. So we'll just kind of open it up and see what you get in the box. Maybe we'll test it out a bit as well. Hook it up to my phone. Maybe. If I can get this open. So it just comes in a regular, box here. Yeah, and right away it's really pretty big. Yeah, it's heavy too. I don't know how heavy this is. At least maybe 5+ pounds. So the funny thing with this is this looks just like the smaller ones, except like 5 times the size. So you see here on the bottom, you have your charge connectors right there on the bottom. Yeah, this is pretty hefty duty. I don't know why this is not focusing. Yeah, so it's pretty hefty. See the speaker and the TREBLAB logo on either end. Same on the other side. Yeah, so this is pretty big speaker. So obviously you have a quick start guide here, user manual. So in the box, you do get a couple things. You get some stickers, TREBLAB stickers. You get a USB-C connector. You get a aux cable as well. Get a strap. So this kind of connects to either end of that, so you can kind of carry it on a strap or over your shoulder or however you want to do that. Like I said, it's pretty big thing, so you need some way to kind of carry it around. And then here you have your power button, on off. You've got your volume buttons, next play buttons, play pause buttons, etc. So you have 4 buttons here that kind of do different things. It does have a microphone built in as well, so if you want to use this as kind of a, I guess, big conference room speaker, you can do that. And then that the USB port on the bottom that I showed was for the output, so that's for output of the power bank if you wanted to use it that way. And then there's some instructions here on the different speaker functions and how to use them and all of that. Now I don't have 2 of these to pair together for the true wireless stereo, but if you do get 2 of them, you can use that function. So what we'll do here is go ahead and turn this on. And as you can see, there's kind of some LEDs there that show the power level. So it looks like it's about It's down a little because there are only 2 LEDs on. The blue light flashing, I'm assuming, indicates that it's in pairing mode. I'll go ahead and pair this with my iPhone. So TREBLAB HD Max. It's connected. I'm going to go to Epidemic Sound so that I don't get any copyright strikes when I'm playing music. And I would say if you are in the market for music for your YouTube video or for your video productions, definitely might want to take a look at Epidemic Sound, as they are pretty good. I use Epidemic Sound and Soundstripe for all my video stuff for the channel. But so I'm just going to go to the now trending in Epidemic Sound, and maybe I'll just start playing through a few songs.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. You know what I'm going to say? I've been feeling this way for far too long. And now you're gone. Took me away from all of my fears. There's a party downtown. Someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here. Meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it.
So I don't know if you can hear what that sounds like. I'm just using my Rode Wireless Go here to record some of the sound. Now if I double press the play pause when the speaker's on, it should switch modes. So I don't know what mode it's in right now, but basically there's the outdoor mode, the indoor mode, and bass boost mode. So outdoor mode, I guess, increases the treble a little bit so you can hear it farther. And it just says in here, indoor mode will be suitable for indoor applications. So not really quite sure what that means. But then, and bass boost is, you know, obviously bass boost. So I'm just going to continue to play this a little bit, and I'll switch between the modes. I'm not really sure if on this video you'll be able to hear the difference or not, but I'll try to tell you if I hear any difference in the room. So I don't know if you can actually tell the difference when I was switching between the modes there. It's actually hard to know what mode it's actually in. I'm assuming that it's in the order of what's in the book, so it says outdoor, indoor, and bass boost. So I think though, the indoor obviously probably sounded to me the best if I was correct on what mode it was in, because it was a combination of bass, treble, mid, all of that sounded pretty good. In the outdoor mode, it was very heavy on the treble. Again, I don't know if you can tell on this video or not. And then the bass boost obviously sounded a little more bassy to me in the room. But again, super hard to tell, I think, on the video. So overall, I mean, I think this actually sounds good. It's super loud in the room. Like as I said in the bottom here, if you want to open this up, you can charge it. That's also where you put in the 3.5mm aux jack if you want to do that. And then you can get the power out via just a regular USB connection if you want to power your devices from this. Overall, it's mostly kind of made out of a plastic material, and then obviously the speaker grills are kind of like a metalish, kind of metal with a little bit of a coating on it, I think. And probably to protect it from water. Let's get the TREBLAB logo here. You can stand it up if you want. Put it flat. I mean, overall, this is a hefty device. So I'm going to have to, play a little bit more with this over time. Listen to it actually outside. It's right now it's raining, otherwise I probably would go outside. Not going to do that today. Yeah, so overall, I think this is super cool speaker from TREBLAB. I will link to this in the description below. If you have any questions, also go ahead and post those in the comments. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I've had a few other TREBLAB devices on the channel, and I think that they're really pretty good quality, sound quality, build quality, and even just basically the price is pretty competitive to, compared to other things out there. And if you are looking for something, again, to take out, go on, to have at parties, go outside, park, all that kind of different stuff, this might be definitely worth taking a look. It is a, pretty solid device. Thanks again for watching. If you have made it this far, I do appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. Trying to get to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and it's been a slow, steady race to get there. Anything you could do would be super appreciated. Thanks again for watching. This is Andrew from T is for Tech, and I'll see you next time.